Welcome! If you want to make your Discord chats more fun and expressive, sending emoji messages is the way to go. Today, I'll show you exactly how to send emoji messages on Discord Mobile, updated for 2025. Whether you're chatting with friends in a server or sending a private DM, these simple steps will have you using emojis in seconds. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to chat. Once you're in, decide where you want to send your emoji message. You can choose a direct message with a friend or jump into any server channel where you want to liven up the conversation. Next, look for the emoji icon. You'll find it right next to the message input box at the bottom of your screen. It usually looks like a smiley face. Tap on this emoji icon, and a whole menu of emojis will pop up for you to browse through. Now comes the fun part: choosing your emoji. Scroll through the list to find the perfect one for your mood. Discord offers a wide range of standard emojis, and if you're in a server with custom emojis, you'll see those too. Just tap the emoji you want to use, and it will appear in your message box. Once you've picked your emoji, or even a few, just hit send. Your emoji message will instantly appear in the chat, ready for everyone to see. It's that easy. Emojis are a great way to add personality to your messages, react to friends, or just make your chats more colorful. And remember, if you're in a server with custom emojis, you can use those for an even more unique touch. So, the next time you're chatting on Discord Mobile, don't forget to tap that emoji icon and make your messages stand out. Happy chatting!